So this is really beautiful and so easy stitch. Here 4 rows, 4 repeat. Really so good and so beautiful. Look at this. Easy and so simple stitch. Really so good and so easy. Look at this. Lacy. For this stitch we need multiple of 10 plus 2 for edge. So here I cast on the stitches like this. Row 1 with slip 1, knit 2 stitch together to the front loop, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and knit 2 stitch together to the back loop. Purl 1. Last stitch we also purl for edges. Row 2 with slip 1, purl all the stitches. Row 3 with slip 1, purl 1, knit 2 stitch to the front loop. We turn these 2 stitches and knit to the front loop. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and knit 2 stitch together to the back loop. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 4 with slip 1 and purl all the stitches like this. Like this. So repeat row 1, 2, 3, 4 to the desired length. Like this.